Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your Shopify store taxes correctly, so you can sell confidently and stay compliant, especially if you're setting up for the Philippines. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to configure taxes for different regions in your store. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on Settings. You'll find it at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're in Settings, look for Taxes and Duties. This is where all your store's tax configuration happens. Think of it as the command center for staying legit, wherever you're selling from. Now, you'll see an option to select the region or country that you collect taxes for. In this example, let's go with the Philippines. You can, of course, select any other region if you're selling elsewhere. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial. Picking the right region ensures your store is calculating taxes exactly how local law requires. Just like how a GPS needs your location to give accurate directions, Shopify needs to know your sales region to do its thing. Under Tax Service, you'll notice there are choices. If you don't have a paid tax service integrated, you'll be using manual tax. Make sure it's enabled and active. This is a free service offered by Shopify, and for many sellers, it's more than enough for getting started. Pause here and double-check that it's showing as active. This is what actually makes the tax calculation kick in for each sale. Now, let's get into the fun part, setting up the base taxes for your regions. Within the Philippines, the federal tax rate is fixed at 12%. That's the default, and it applies nationwide. Don't change this unless you've got specific government documentation. It's pretty standard. On top of this, though, some provinces or regions have additional taxes. You'll see names like Abra, Agusan del Norte, Agusan del Sur, and so on. For each province, enter the tax rate as required. Say 5% for Abra, 10% for Agusan del Sur, 2% for Aklan. Alongside each, use the VAT tag for the tax name and the type. The key here, each of these is in addition to the 12% federal tax. So if you're selling an Abra, your customers would see a total tax rate of 17%. Imagine it like layering two cakes. You've got your basic foundation with the 12%, then you add on the local flavor with the regional rate. When entering these rates, take your time. Shopify lets you customize all provinces, so if you need to add another region, just type it in with the specific rate. Don't worry if you're not sure about every region's exact tax rule right now. You can always come back and update as you go. What matters is getting your main selling areas set up and double-checking your numbers. Remember, this tutorial uses the Philippines as an example. The federal tax rate and the regional rates can be totally different if you're selling in another country. Always check your local regulations, and if you're unsure, it's worth talking to a local accountant. It saves a ton of headaches down the road. Once you're satisfied with your entries, go ahead and hit Save. This step is vital. The store won't start charging these taxes until you've saved your changes. Take a second to review everything before you commit. Mistakes here can often be missed, but have a big impact on your business. And that's it. Your taxes are now configured for Shopify, tailored to your selling region. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know any questions in the comments. I'm always here to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials so you can keep growing your e-commerce business the smart way. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.